Avocados. These creamy green wonders aren't just for toast or trendy brunches. For centuries, avocados have been a staple in diets around the world, prized for their unique flavor, velvety texture, and most importantly, their incredible health benefits. Whether you're a foodie, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to make healthier choices, adding avocados to your daily routine can be a game changer. Let's dive into 5 surprising reasons your body will absolutely thank you for eating avocados every single day. Here's 5 reasons your body will thank you for eating them daily. First up, healthy fats. When you think of fats, you might picture greasy fast food or unhealthy snacks, but not all fats are created equal. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the kind that nutritionists and doctors rave about. These healthy fats are essential for your body. They help lower bad cholesterol, support brain function, and even keep your skin looking youthful and hydrated. Unlike saturated fats found in processed foods, the fats in avocados actually protect your heart and can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. So, the next time you spread avocado on your toast, remember, you're not just indulging in a delicious treat, you're giving your heart a little extra love. Avocados are loaded with the good kind that make your heart say, thank you. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about fiber power. Most people don't get enough fiber in their diets, which can lead to sluggish digestion, irregularity, and even increased risk of chronic diseases. Just one medium avocado contains around 10 grams of fiber. That's nearly half of what most adults need in a day. Fiber is like a gentle broom for your digestive system, sweeping away waste and keeping everything running smoothly. It also helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be a huge help if you're trying to manage your weight or avoid unhealthy snacking. Plus, a fiber-rich diet supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which are essential for everything from immune function to mental health. So, by adding avocado to your meals, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're giving your gut the support it needs to thrive. Just one avocado gives you a big boost to keep your gut happy and your tummy full. But wait, there's more. Number 3. Potassium. You've probably heard that bananas are a great source of potassium, but did you know that avocados actually contain even more? Potassium is a vital mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, balance fluids in your body, and support healthy muscle function. If you're active, play sports, or just want to avoid those annoying muscle cramps, potassium is your best friend. It also helps your nerves communicate and keeps your heart beating at a steady rhythm. Many people don't get enough potassium in their diets, which can lead to fatigue, weakness, or even high blood pressure. By enjoying avocados regularly, you're giving your body a natural, delicious way to stay energized and strong. Number 3, potassium. Avocados have even more than bananas, which helps control blood pressure and keeps your muscles moving. But that's not all. Let's talk about vitamins. Avocados are a powerhouse of essential vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Vitamin C is famous for boosting your immune system and helping your body heal, while vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage and keeping your skin glowing. Vitamin K is crucial for healthy bones and proper blood clotting. Together, these vitamins work in harmony to support your overall health from the inside out. Eating avocados regularly can help you maintain sharp vision, fight off infections, and even slow down the signs of aging. It's like nature's multivitamin wrapped in a creamy green package. Fourth, they're packed with vitamins like C, E, and K. These nutrients are essential for keeping your body in top shape. Vitamin C helps your body repair itself and keeps your immune system strong so you can fight off colds and infections. Vitamin E is a skin-loving antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by pollution, sun, and stress. And vitamin K is vital for bone health, helping your body absorb calcium and keep your skeleton strong as you age. With all these vitamins packed into one fruit, it's no wonder avocados are often called a superfood. That means glowing skin, sharp vision, and a superhero immune system. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, clearer skin, and a body that feels ready to take on anything. That's the power of avocados. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile and easy to add to your favorite meals. And last but not least, avocados make healthy food taste awesome. Let's face it, eating healthy can sometimes feel like a chore, especially if you're stuck with bland salads or boring snacks. But avocados have a magical way of making everything taste better. Their creamy texture and mild, buttery flavor can transform even the simplest dish into something special. Whether you're blending them into a smoothie, smashing them on toast, or adding them to a salad, avocados bring a richness and satisfaction that's hard to beat. They're also a fantastic substitute for less healthy ingredients. Try using avocado instead of mayo in your sandwiches, or as a base for creamy dressings and dips. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you. Blend them, slice them, smash them, your boring salad just got a glow up. Avocados can be the star of your breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even dessert. Try adding them to your morning smoothie for a creamy boost, or top your eggs with avocado slices for extra flavor and nutrition. For lunch, toss avocado chunks into your salad or wrap, or make a quick guacamole to enjoy with whole grain chips. At dinner, use avocado as a topping for tacos, burgers, or grain bowls. You can even make avocado-based desserts, like chocolate avocado pudding or avocado ice cream, for a healthy treat that feels indulgent. No matter how you enjoy them, avocados make every meal more exciting and nutritious. So whether you're a gym lover or just want to feel your best, avocados fit perfectly into any lifestyle. They're portable, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed on the go or at home. If you're looking for a pre-workout snack, avocados provide lasting energy without weighing you down. If you're focused on wellness, their nutrient profile supports everything from heart health to glowing skin. And if you're simply looking for a delicious way to eat more whole foods, avocados are a tasty, satisfying choice. Grab an avocado and dig in. It's one of the simplest, most delicious ways to boost your health every day. Whether you eat them plain, mix them into recipes, or use them as a topping, avocados are a small change that can make a big difference. So the next time you're at the store or farmer's market, pick up a few avocados and start experimenting. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Your body will high-five you later. So go ahead, make avocados a daily habit and enjoy all the amazing benefits they have to offer. Here's to a healthier, happier you, one delicious bite at a time.